List index. I've given a list here. I've given a list here. Letters I've given character A, B, and C. If it is letter of 0, the first 0 index is A, 1 is B, 2 is C. Okay, so what we will execute it using collab. Letters equal to it is a list. Okay, double quote A, double quote B, B, double quote C. Okay, if I want to take the first character A, then letters of 0 index, this will give you A. A. If I want to print B, 1, 1. If I want to print C, if I want to take the character C, then 2. Okay. List slicing. The same letters, if I'm going to slice it, comma B. Letters slice it with 1 to 2 letters. Yes, slice it with 1 to 2. What happens? Let me see. It is B because n number will not be included. One less than that will be included. Okay. If it is 3, 1 and 2, index 1 and 2 will be printed. That is B and C will be printed in this case. B and C will be printed. Okay. So 1 is to now 4. 4. In this case, B, C, D will be printed. This is called slicing. This is called slicing. Okay. N number will not be included. And start number 1 less than that of the n number will be included. Tuple. Tuple is immutable and list is mutable. That is the thing we have to remember it while coding. Okay, so you should be very careful while using list and tuple. In case of tuple, it is parenthesis you will be using it. In case of list, you will be using square bracket. You'll be using square bracket. Okay, so letters of, okay, let me take same letters. Letter, okay, letter 1, okay, letter of, letter is equal to parenthesis of a, a1, no, a1, a2, a3. Okay. Print is tuple. Print letter. Letter. Execute and see whether it prints or not. It prints. Okay. Built-in functions. Range is a built-in function. It represents start number, end number, and step. That is range. So I'm taking a simple for loop. For I in range, in range, start number, let me take it as 6. N number, let me take it as 0. And the step that I'm going to take it is -2. So decrement everything by 2. Don't forget to put colon. Don't forget to put colon. Okay. Tab. One tab spacing you have to keep it. Now print I. Let me see whether it executes or not. Yes, it is correct. See, first number is 6. It decrements, the step is -2, decrements by -2. So 4. 4 minus 2, it is 2. It will not include the n number 0. Okay, so it is correct. Randomization. Now, this a random number can be generated from the module random. Random number can be generated from the module random. Now, this random, you cannot use it directly. You have to import random and you have to use it. Okay. Now, how to import random? By using import. By using import random, you can download this module. You can download this module. The syntax here is random dot random int of any range, start and end of the range. That is how we have to keep. Okay, let me execute and show you in Colab. Import random. Let me see. Yes, it executes. Okay, now what you have to do is that random dot and int of 2 comma 6. Okay, 2 comma 6. Between 2 and 6, it automatically generates it by it gives you the random number. I'm executing it again. It is 6. I'm executing it again. It is 3. I'm executing it again. It is 4. Okay, it gives random number. And then you can round the number. If it is a decimal value, if it is a decimal value, you can round the number. Round 5.6. Execute this one. It is 6. So if you use the keyword round, you can round any decimal values. Absolute. Any negative number, you can convert it to, you can represent it as a positive number. So absolute value of Absolute value of minus 5.6. It is plus 5.6. Minus I've given it as an input. And here it is plus 5.6 modules. Okay. Already we have seen how to import random. If random, if you're if you have to import random and you have to use it, you can also use it in another way. That is import random as r. Instead of random, you can use this variable r. Okay. Let me take the same code. Okay. Let me take the same code. Paste it here as r. Okay. Instead of this random, let me replace it with r. That's all. It will show you the same output. See, random output, it gives you random output. 5, 4, 6, it gives you random output. Lazy. Next thing that we can do it is that you can give a different name also. You can also give different name. You can assign it to a variable. You can assign it to a variable and you can give different name. Importing from modules. Okay. Now, from the module, you can import random int. Rand int. Okay. So from the random module, you can import specific thing. That is from random import. What you are going to import? You are going to import random int. Random int. Int of 2 comma 6. Random int of 2 comma 6. It works. So the difference here is that I've used here R, I've called a specific thing here, I've used directly here. If you want to import everything from random module, you can use star. You can use star. That is what I have used here is from random import star. I'm going to import everything. List I have given. From this list, I'm going to take choice. From this list, I'm going to take choice. Okay. So what I'm going to do is that from random import everything. Choice list list equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3. Choice of list. Choice of list. Okay. So what we can just do it is that it generates a random number. It generates a random number. Again, you can use it in either way. You can use it everything. You can use one among it. Whichever you are comfortable, you can use it. Feel free to subscribe my channel. Thank you all.